Dear friends and my dear students, today I am going to explain you about linear motions in physics and its equations of motion when there is linear motion with uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration, it means there is no change in the acceleration, it is fixed, it is constant. So, first of all, I want to explain you some terms like S will denote distance, A will denote acceleration, T will denote time, U will denote initial velocity or initial speed, that means starting speed. V will denote velocity, that is final velocity, final speed. So, the first formula of equations of motion in physics is V equals to U plus AT, where V stands for velocity, that is final velocity, A stands for uniform acceleration, T stands for time. Second equation of motion is S equals to ut plus half at square. Third equation of motion is v square equals to u square plus 2as. Now, one thing we have to keep in mind always, when an object or a body starts from rest, in that case, initial velocity, that is u, will be always 0. And if the moving object comes to rest, in that case, final velocity becomes 0. That is v equals to 0. Now, we have to keep in mind that when an object falls from high up, that means from a height, if an object falls, in that case, it is under gravity falling. That's why the formula becomes in that case v equals to u plus gt. It is falling towards the center of the earth. That's why plus g we will consider. And second equation of motion will be s equals to ut plus half gt square. And third equation of motion will be v square equals to u square plus 2gs or v square equals to u square plus 2gh, where h or h both are same, that is it denotes distance. Now, if the body is thrown upwards, that is it is against the gravity force. In that case, the first equation of motion will be v equals to u minus gt. It became minus only because it is acting against the force of gravity in opposite direction. So, v equals to u minus gt. Second equation of motion will be s equals to ut minus half gt square. And third equation of motion in that case will be v square equals to u square minus 2gs or v square equals to u square minus 2gh. Here h or h both have the same meaning, which denotes distance. Okay? Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.